Hi, this is Karen from Food Jazz, presenting food with a little jazz. Today I'm making my oatmeal raisin cookies. You're going to love this recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. To a mixing bowl, add in some softened butter. Next, add in some brown sugar. And for a full ingredient list, check the description box below. Mix the sugar and butter together until creamy. Next, add in an egg and some vanilla, along with some molasses. Beat this mixture together until it's creamy. To a separate bowl, add some flour, some baking soda, salt, and some cinnamon. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined. And add this to the butter-sugar mixture. I do this in a couple of batches to make it easier to combine. Next, add in the oats, and I do this in a couple of batches as well to make it easier to combine. Next, add in some walnuts. The dough will be stiff at this point, but keep working with it until everything is well combined. Next, stir in the raisins and continue to work with the dough until everything is well distributed. I like to use a measuring cup to scoop the dough out into mounds and place them on a parchment-lined cookie sheet about 3 inches apart. With your hand, press the dough down and straighten out the edges a little. Send the cookies off to a 350-degree preheated oven for about 11 to 13 minutes, or until they are golden like this. After cooling for 5 minutes, transfer the cookies to a wire rack to continue cooling. I hope you enjoy this easy-to-make recipe as much as I do. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that bell for more easy-to-make recipes. Thank you so much for watching.